Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف: ألف لام ميم صاد. Alhamdulillah, with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, today we are starting Surah Al-Aaraf, and this is the longest Makki surah in Quran, and it is a pair with Surah An'am that we just finished, and the topics of Surah An'am and Surah Araf are complementary to each other. In Surah An'am, we saw that there was tazkir bi alaillah, meaning that the remembrance by the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in Surah Araf, we will see that mainly tazkir bi ayyamillah, meaning remembrance by the big days of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be mentioned, and we have talked about that also in the past. The topics covered in Surah Al-Aaraf is arranged in a way that first of all the story of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Iblis is explained, and the initiation of the human race was mentioned, and then the end of the human race is mentioned, which is about the hereafter. And there are three types of people. First, the people of the hellfire is mentioned, and then the people of the paradise mentioned, and then the people of Ashab A'raf, meaning those people who have not have a clear decision about the paradise or hell is mentioned. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the beginning of the human race and the end of the human race, and in the middle portion the tazkir bi ayyamillah, meaning the remembrance by the big days of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained the condition and the situation and the stories of the prophets and what happened to the nation of these prophets is mentioned. And this is the main theme or umud of this surah. The first ayah of the surah that is recited is consisted of the huruf muqatta'at, or the letters that are recited as a separate letter, and this has been explained as well that the actual meaning of these huruf muqatta'at is known to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Nobody else knows the exact meaning of these huruf, but this should be noted here that there are two surahs of Quran in which there are four huruf muqatta'at is mentioned, and first surah is Surah Al-Aaraf that we started today, and the other is Surah Ra'd, and it is started with four letters which are Alif Lam Mim Ra. And inshallah we will study. In the beginning we have done Surah Baqarah and Surah Ali Imran, and they were started with the three huruf muqatta'at each, which were Alif Lam Mim. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our heart for the light and nur of Quran. Oh Allah, make this journey easy for us. Oh Allah, make us believe on Quran as it should be believed on, and make us recite it, understand it, act on it, and preach it as it should be read, understood, acted upon, and preached. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.